Mae Ifan, dyn ifanc gyda gwallt blond ac yn gwisgo crys agored efo patrwm amryliw dros gris TD yn sefyll mewn cornel wedi amgylchynu gyda dail gwyrdd.
I spent so much of my life shut away. Alone. Looking out at the universe. Searching for proof. And here we are. Hope she's going to be okay. Hope she gets home. That's all I got left. Prediction, theory, and hope. Hope you make it ever. This random occurrence, it doesn't matter what you believe. All that matters is that we accept it as a chance to speak and to be heard. What have I really been searching for? I'm disconnected, but I understand now. It's our moment, our chance to do something real, to change things, if we work together. It's all around me now. I can feel it in the air, and it's beautiful.